Welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. Today we're going to do some more alphabet art. We're on the letter N. Okay, let's do the little saying to help us remember. Ready, set, go. Big N, little N. What begins with N? Nest, nail, Nemo. N, N, N. Good job. Okay. All right, let's get drawing. Okay. Okay, so we're going to start with the nest. We're going to make some half oval shapes.
Oopsie.
They're kind of like rainbows almost. So yeah, we can do 3 of them. And then the nest is super easy. You just draw little stick lines all around the nest. And you're kind of making that nest shape with your sticks. And they can cross and go different directions. You can be as messy with it as you want.
There!
Oh, I love it. I'm just going to do a few more in between my eggs.
I did it too.
All right. Very good. Okay, now we're going to draw a nail. So the easiest way to draw a nail is to draw like an oval up here. And then draw a long, skinny triangle down from the nail. Oh, I love your nail. That's beautiful. Yeah, that's so good. All right, now we've got room for Nemo. Here, let's scoot your paper up just a tiny bit. Now we've got room for Nemo down here. Okay, so we're going to start with his eye. And then his other eye is right next to it. And then what's inside? The pupil. And you can leave a highlight in the pupil.
Oopsie.
That's okay, you don't have to leave a highlight if you don't want to. Now let me finish my pupils real quick. Can you wait for me, please?
Nemo seems a little bit hard.
Well, we can do it. I know we can. Let's draw the smile first. Right under this eye, you make a rainbow shape that way, and then another rainbow shape below it, and then a little tongue in there. All right, and then
Color it black.
you can color it black, or you can color it like a reddish color later. All right, so from this eye, do you see right here? You can go under the mouth and around, and then all the way back over to the top of that eye. Very good. And then there's a little line, so just start right here and go around, and then it actually meets up there. And then there's one more line right next to it. Very good. Now it's time for the fins. Okay, so this fin, right above this white line, you're going to do like a long arch up, and then it comes down and over. And that's how you make that first fin.
Finny.
And then this fin, you go just like a straight line over, and then it curves.
It looks like a shell.
It does kind of. You're right. And we can do the lines right now too, yeah.
See, I knew it looked like a shell.
And there's also lines in this one from right here that go up. But yeah, okay, so now his other fin down here goes like that. And the lines go up from the end. Good. And then his back fin kind of shows right here. You go down, over, and in, like that. So down here, under the mouth. Yeah.
Down, over, and in.
And then out and back in. And then, yeah, there's little lines in there too. And then his lucky fin, it's over here. So it's kind of got like a notch out of it, like that, from the shark attack when he was a baby. All right. So,
Big
oops.
and
Yep, now let's draw a big N.
little.
So the way you do a big N is a line up, diagonal line down, and then straight line back up.
But if you want to draw an M, you just
Well,
go
don't-
like this.
Yeah, we did M last time.
And then you draw another line down.
Yeah, and then the little N is one line, and then that curved line like that.
If you want to draw an M, you go like this.
Yeah, they're very similar, huh? All right, should we color it? This will be fun to color Nemo, huh? He's a cute color orange. Let's color it in time lapse. Well, good job drawing your Nemo. Cute. It was funny, as I was drawing mine, I had drawn an outline around it, and she said, it looks like a clown.
Yeah.
And then I said, actually, Nemo is a clownfish. So that was kind of funny.
But when you had the outline, it looked like a can.
Yeah, it did.
Whee!
All right, well, we'll see you next time when we draw things that start with the letter. What comes after N in the alphabet?
Oh.
Yeah, so next time we're going to draw things that start with the letter O. Bye.
Octopus.
Octopus.